tutorial, we're going to learn how to set the finger settings in your Procreate Dreams. You can check out the description box below to find out how you can download this project file to follow along. So to change finger settings, you want to tap on the name of your movie inside a project, and then go under Preferences. And there are two things that you can choose from. One is to enable painting with finger. And the other one is you can enable your finger to do the timeline edit. You can select multiple content with your finger. Currently, I have both settings turned off because I want the finger only to perform gestures instead of drawing content. So I'm just gonna have them turned off, but if you prefer them to be turned on, here is where to find it. So here is how you do the finger setting changes. I will see you in the next video.